as you can tell, back rail panning. Essentially, just finished a mile long marathon. By the positioning of the sun alert, so be careful. By the positioning of the sun, I can tell that it is around 6, which means we should get our healthy dose of heritage units. Or rare locomotives, at least. So that's something you don't see every day on Norfolk Southern Territory. That's something you don't really see. Sorry, I apologize. That's something you don't see every day on Norfolk Southern Territory. If you want to know why I went down like that, it's because I don't need anyone's license plates exposed, and then me going through that problem. I sincerely apologize for what you are about to hear for the rest of the video. So remember, I sincerely apologize. If anyone wants to make fun of me for my horrible coughing fits, then you can. I'm gonna have to make a behind the scenes video of this. Alright, well, that's about it. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.